Your local AI experience might look like this: a model that's using almost all your system resources, is almost burning your PC, and in the end isn't even that quick. Well, my local AI experience looks like this. I run AI models almost 5 times as fast because I use quantized models. Let me explain how that works and how you can achieve the same. When you browse Hugging Face to find your new AI models to run locally, you might make the mistake of trying to use the models as they were provided by the original creator as is. For example, let's say that you want to use Mistral. If I look for Mistral 7B, I can find a lot of different models officially published by Mistral AI. And so you might think, hey, this is the exact model that I want to use because it's the official one. And to be fair, if your machine can handle this, then that's totally fine. But Mistral 7B is already a very large model. And if you have a weaker GPU, you are not going to be able to run this. So what do you do then? Well, actually, what you should do is scroll down and look at the different fine-tuned models that are created based on the base model. Specifically, you want to look at models under the category quantizations. I'll explain later what quantized models actually are, but to illustrate this, if we click on the models list here, we can actually see that there's a lot of quantized models. And we can, for example, explore this one, which is using 4-bit quantization. You can see here that this model is promising to use 70% less memory while being 2 to 5 times faster. And it's true. What I showed you at the beginning is not clickbait. If you actually use quantized models, they will use much fewer resources while being way faster. Here I opened LM Studio, and you can see here that I have the full 7 billion parameter Mistral model, which is almost 30 gigabytes in size. And here I have the Q4 version of the model, which is quantized. And this one is only just over 4 gigabytes in size. And this is extremely important because not many consumer GPUs can actually fit a 29 gigabyte model into the memory of the GPU. So it's almost essential that you find these quantized models when you're running local AI. And again, even if you can fit the full model, these smaller models are also much faster. So really, finding them is always a win-win. So how does this actually work? Because there's no such thing as free performance, right? Well, modern AI models store billions of parameters as 32-bit floating point numbers, basically decimal numbers. Each parameter is like a small container that can hold numbers with extreme precision. Think of numbers with up to 7 decimal places. Now, when you have a model like Mistral 7B, there's 7 billion parameters. And so you can imagine that this will end up taking a lot of space, and you need to load this entire model into memory in order to run it. So actually, the full Mistral 7B model cannot fit on most consumer hardware because consumer-grade GPUs usually don't have over 20 gigabytes of VRAM available to them. So what do we do here? Well, quantization actually offers a solution, because quantization asks, do we really need all of that precision? You can imagine that in this full 32-bit version of the model, we can have a weight that's stored as 1.926357, etc., very precise number. But what if we were to just round that number up to a 2? Well, we can indeed change the numbers and cut off decimals, or indeed just round them up to the nearest full number, depending on how much we want to quantize the model. So we can, for example, quantize it to 16 bits, which will cut the size in half, 8 bits to cut the size to a quarter, or all the way down to 4 bits, which cuts it to just 1/8 of the original model size. And that shrinks a model like Mistral 7B down from 27 gigabytes to just 4 gigabytes. And suddenly, it becomes runnable on almost every modern GPU, which is great because it means that consumers can run these models locally. Now, reducing from 32-bit numbers to 4-bit number precision does mean that you have a trade-off. Because you do have lower precision, after all, you're taking out detail that was originally in the model. It's kind of like converting a high-resolution photo to a lower resolution. We lose some details, but to be fair, the overall picture remains recognizable. And research shows that when you're simplifying these models, the accuracy loss is actually not that bad. The model might perform 1 to 2% worse, but that's definitely worth the trade-off, considering you can actually run much stronger models on your own hardware. So, quantization has really transformed AI from an exclusive technology that only works in data centers to something that anyone can use. If you want to learn more real AI engineering, check out the link in the description below and you can join my AI engineering community, where you can learn how to build real AI systems from beginning all the way to end. I'll see you there.